Google have become an integral part of our life. Be it watching YouTube videos, using Google search engine, using Gmail, Google Drive, Google Photos, Google Maps, we are all surrounded by Google and its products. And surprisingly, most of us don't pay even a single penny to use all these products and services. Sometimes you might have thought, why Google is giving out all of these in complete free of cost? If it is giving all of the things in free of cost, then how is it making its profits? Although we all have a basic idea that Google generates its revenue by showing us ads, but that is a very vague and a rough understanding. In this video, we're gonna discuss multiple streams by which Google makes its money. Also, the quarter 4 results of Google was announced on 3rd February 2021, so we will have exact figures in terms of revenue generation and profits. Without any further delay, let's start the video. Basically, there are 3 different ways how Google makes its money. First one is Google Services, second one is Google Cloud, and third one is Other Bets. Now let's discuss about these 3 things in a bit more detail. Google Services include almost each and everything that we use in our day-to-day lives, such as Google search results ads, YouTube ads, ads through AdMob, YouTube Premium, YouTube Super Chats, in-app purchases, sales in Google Play Store, and basically each and everything that you can imagine of. Now the second thing is Google Cloud. Google Cloud is such a division which most of us are not aware of because it is basically for the enterprises. Here, Google charges a fee from its users. With Google Cloud, Google provides additional perks to the enterprises with its various products like more number of participants in Google Meet, having custom domain name, custom email ID, more storage in Google Drive, and there are a lot of other different stuffs. The third and the final thing is Other Bets. Now, the term Other Bets is a quite tricky one, and to understand this, we have to go a little back. Google's parent company is Alphabet. Apart from Google, Alphabet as a company have multiple subsidiaries such as Waymo, Google Fiber, DeepMind, Capital G, and much more. Basically, this Other Bets segment include each and everything that Alphabet does apart from Google, such as investment in R&D and managing other companies such as Waymo, DeepMind, Capital G, Bing, Google Fiber, etc. So, Google Services, Google Cloud, and Other Bets are the 3 different revenue sources of Google. Now, let's discuss about the exact figures how much Google made from each of these 3 segments through their quarter 4 results. As you can see, there are 2 tables. The first table shows the revenue generated and the second table shows how much profit or loss made by them in each of the segment. In the entire year of 2020, Google Services have generated a revenue of around $168 billion, Google Cloud have generated around $13 billion, and Other Bets have generated around $657 million. So the total revenue of Alphabet in the year 2020 is around $182 billion. Now, if we have a look towards the profit or loss generated by each of the segment, then Google Services have made a profit of around $54 billion, Google Cloud have made a loss of around $5 billion, and Other Bets have made a loss of around $4 billion. Their corporate costs are also around $3 billion. So the total profit generated by Alphabet in the year 2020 is around $41 billion. Now, if we compare the numbers of 2020 to the year 2019, then in the year 2020, Google have increased their revenue by 23% as compared to the year 2019. And that's all in today's video. In this video, we have discussed the different revenue streams of Google through which Google makes its money. Now, let me summarize it. Basically, there are 3 different revenue sources of Google. First one is Google Services, second one is Google Cloud, and third one is Other Bets. Google Services mainly includes revenue generation from ads and the services which we use in our day-to-day life. Google Cloud is basically for the enterprises, and here Google charges a fee from them. And in case of Other Bets, here the revenue comes from what Alphabet does apart from Google, such as investment in different companies, in research and development, and much more. If you have anything to say, feel free to write it down in the comment section below. Until next time, thank you for watching the video.